Hello everyone, welcome back to Algozen. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important concept in Python, which is function. Okay, so what is function? Basically, function is a block of code which is used to perform some specific task. Instead of writing the same code multiple times, we write it once inside a function and reuse it whenever we want. Okay, and in Python, we use def keyword to define a function. Now, example 1. Okay, even or odd function. I show you. Go to PyCharm. First, let's see how we normally write code without using a function. First, we will take a input n equal to int input. Then check conditions. If n divisible by 2, then print even, else print odd. Okay, run the code. Number is 5. It's odd. Okay, now let's convert the same logic into a function. First, we need to define a function. So to define a function, use def keyword. Def. Let's say function name is even or and this function takes one number as input. Suppose number is n. Okay. Now check condition. If n divisible by 2 equal to 0, then return even, else return odd. Okay, now n equal to int input. We take input from the user, right? N equal to int input, then just print even odd n. Even odd n. Just here we call the function, then print the function. Run. Now number is 5. It's odd. Number is 66. Even. Okay. Now go to our document. Example 2. Def add x comma y. Oh, basically add two numbers. Okay, I show you. Let's create a function to add two numbers, right? So def, so let's function name is a triple d. It takes two number x comma y, then it returns x plus y, right? Then take x equal to int input. Same for y equal to int input. Then call the function output equal to add up x comma y, then print output. Okay, then x equal to 7 and y equal to 3. 7 plus 3, 10. 10. Actually, this makes our code short, readable, and reusable. Instead of writing the addition logic everywhere, we just call add x comma y like this. Print add. Suppose x equal to 55, comma y equal to 67. Okay, run. First we need to put the here x 5. Now for fourth 9, 5. Output is 10, right? It's 10 for this. Now print at 55 plus 7 equal to 122. Okay, now go back to our example 3. Def math table n. Def math table for loop. Oh, actually there is a mistake. Actually, here many beginners make a common mistake. We are using a loop, but we place return inside the loop, right? As soon as Python see return, the function stops executing. So the correct way is print, because we want print every line, right? We are printing, not returning. Function runs fully, all 10 lines are printed. Like if we want to print mathematical table of 2, so 2 into 1 equal to 1, 2 into 2 equal to 4, 2 into 3 equal to 6, like that. So not it's print. Okay, I show you. Go to PyCharm, create a function def math table. Okay, then uh, n for loop for I in range 1 to 11, because 10 is not included. Now print. We want to print each line. If we use return, then it's run the only first, it's print only first line. Remember one rule: return ends the function, print only display the output. Okay, then print in formatted n multiply I equal to n multiply I. Okay, then n int input print math table. Okay, here n. Done. Run the code. Which math table we want? We want 5. Oh, sorry. Don't print again. If we print the same code, then returns none. Just run the function. Don't print. Then run. We want 5 table. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25, 5 6 ja 30, 5 7 ja 35, up to 5 10. Okay. Then example 3 is complete. There's no return. It's print, and remove the print from here. If we print, if we like print here and here, then returns no, then another line here which is none. Okay. Example 3 is done. Now move to example 4. Okay. Square of a number. It's very easy. Square or cube. Okay. If we want, no, first to square of a number, right? First to create a function def square. Suppose double e. So square. Number is n. Okay. It returns the square. So return, we can write n into n or n to the power 2. Both are correct. Okay. N into n, and n equal to int input, then print square of n. When I run the code, we want the square of 5. 5 5 is 25. If we want the square of 11, 11 multiply 11. 11 times 11 equal to 121. Okay. If 12, 12 times 20, 12. Square of 12, 144. Done. Okay. If we want cube of a number, then just change the function name to cube, and cube returns n to the power 3. N to the power 3. Okay, now q. Okay, just run the code. Let's say number equal to 5. 5 5 ja 20, 25 ja 125. Done. If we want to find the cube of 7, 343, cube of 11, 1331. Okay, very simple, clean, and reusable. You can write this, or you can write like n multiply n multiply n. Both are correct. Okay, now go to our document. Example 4 and 5 is done. Now example 6. Okay, basically it's a palindrome program. What is palindrome? Whether a string is palindrome or not, actually palindrome means the word is the same even after reversing it. Or like word is I, E-Y-E. When we reverse the word, it's E-Y-E. So this is palindrome. Palindrome means the word is the same even after reversing it. Inside the function, we reverse the word. Okay. Okay. Go to our pie chart. Now, first create a function. Def it's palindrome or not. So def palindrome s. S is string. Okay. Then we need to check. First, we need to reverse a function, right? So s s1 equal to -1. Reverse. If s equal to s1, return its palindrome. Okay, then its palindrome, else return it's not palindrome. Okay, now text string as input, s equal to input, because input function always return as a string. Then call the function palindrome and print. Okay, yes, done. This is a perfect example how function make code organized and meaningful. When I run the code, uh, the string is, let's suppose string is help. It's not palindrome. When we reverse help, it's PLEH. Okay. When we write it's madam, it's palindrome. When we reverse the code, reverse the string, it's same. When we try to print I, it's palindrome. Okay. Now go to our document. Example 6 is done. Okay. Now what is lambda function? So basically lambda function is a small anonymous function used when the logic is very short. Okay. Syntax is lambda arguments, then expression. I show you in example 1. Here square is a variable. Square equal to lambda x is to x to the power 2. This is the expression. This is the argument. No def keyword used, no function name, just one line of code. I show you in PyCharm. Okay. Square equal to lambda x multiply x multiply x. Done. This is the what expression. Now and to print square of x equal, let's suppose x is 25. Run the code. It's 25. In example 2, okay. So in example 2 is filter odd numbers. Here we use lambda function with filter. Okay, we have a list of numbers L equal to this list, and the lambda function checks for odd numbers and filter returns only the odd ones. 5, 7, 9 all are odd. Right. This is commonly used in data processing. I show you. Okay, go to our PyCharm first. Okay, just copy the list, then create a variable final equal to list, then filter lambda x, then the argument x divisible by 2 not equal to 0 means odd, and okay, then just print final. Okay, when I run the code 5, 7, 97, 77, 23, 73, etc., because it's filter odd numbers only. This is commonly used in data processing. Okay, now example 1, example 2 is done. That's it. So difference between normal function versus lambda. In normal function we use def keyword, lambda no def. Normal function multiple lines, lambda only single lines. And normal function complex logic, lambda function simple logic. So this is, in this video we learn what is function, why functions are important, different examples of function, and an introduction to lambda function. So if you understand this video, like, share and subscribe to Algozen.